Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Buffer social media management tool. Buffer is the perfect platform for anyone that has numerous social media accounts and would like one platform to manage all of them. So with Buffer, you'll be able to schedule the release of content, and you'll also be able to check on your engagement for numerous social media platforms. So whether you're an individual with numerous social media platforms, or you do content creation for persons and you have access to their social media platforms, meaning you manage the uploading, you'll be able to use Buffer to do all of that and to make your work a lot easier. The first thing you want to do is go onto buffer.com, as you can see right here. And by the way, if we were to check out the prices, you can see that you can get started for completely free, and you'll be able to connect up to 3 channels, meaning you'll be able to connect whether you want to connect, for example, your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can start that for free, better yet. And if you would like to connect all of them, you can start out with the essentials right here on their trial plan for 14 days. Anyways, you can sign up quite easy. All you have to do is go over to the top right hand corner and you are going to tap on Get Started. After you have selected Get Started, you will be redirected to a page on which you'll have to choose whether you want to create a landing page or you would like to log in to one of your accounts. The first example I'd like to show you is by simply logging into one of your accounts. That is quite easy to do. All you have to do is tap, for example, on Add Channels, if I were to do that. And you're going to see a page just like this. And from here, you'll be able to connect your TikTok, your Google business profile, Instagram business account, Facebook, or Twitter. I've already connected my Twitter. All you have to do if you want to connect to one of these platforms is simply tap on Connect. Then you are going to enter the login information for that particular platform. By the way, you can also connect your Shopify store and you can also connect Pinterest. Once you're connected, you're going to go back to publishing. Let me go back to publishing real quick. And from here, you will be redirected to this page and you can tap on calendar in the top left hand corner, or you could select create post right here. And after selecting create post, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you'll be able to add an image and you can also add the caption. So let me do that real quick. Just for example, let me select a file. Let me add an image real quick. For example, this right here. Then you can also add a caption. Once you have done that, you can go over to add to queue right here, or you can tap on the arrow pointing down right beside add to queue and you could select schedule post. Then from here you can select the date on which you would like the post to be released. So let's say, for example, tomorrow the 28th, and you can also choose the time. Then you'll tap on schedule. And that's it. And as I said earlier, you'll be able to do this with numerous social media platforms. That's the beauty about Buffer. You can manage all of your social media platforms or all of your clients' social media platform on Buffer. And you can see right here, you could check out the campaigns. And by the way, if you want to create a landing page, you can also do that with Buffer, as all you have to do is tap on Start Page. Just give it a few seconds to load up. After you have selected Start Page, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you'll be able to edit your landing page. So for example, if you would like to change the profile image, you could tap on that. Then you could upload your own image. Let me do that real quick, for example. So I could go right here and I could upload an image. Just for example, I'll be uploading this random image. and you can also change the text. So you could change the text, and you can also change the business name right there. And once you have done that, you can go back right where you see edit header. Then you could add a button link if you want, and you can also change the background image also. And if you would like to add more stuff to the layout, you can. As you can see right here, you will be able to add a YouTube video, and you can also add social media links. And once you are finished and the landing page is to your liking, you could tap on publish changes. Then from here you can enter your business name. So for example, I'll simply type in test. Then you can see publish. That name is taken already. And once you have done that, you'll be able to get the name right here. And once you have gotten the name, you'll be able to post your landing page. Let me get it real quick. As you can see right here, you'll be able to copy the link and share your landing page. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to use Buffer social media tool. Thank you for watching.